In this video, we'll walk you through how to get an overdraft using the Barclays app. Let's get started. First, what is an overdraft? An overdraft allows you to withdraw more money than you have in your account, providing a short-term financial safety net. To apply for an overdraft with Barclays, you need to meet specific eligibility criteria, including your account type and credit status. Step 1 is to download and install the Barclays app from your device's app store. It's quick and easy. Now, open the app and log into your Barclays account using your personal credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Overdraft section within the app. You'll find it easy to locate. Next, take a moment to review the overdraft options and limits available to you. Make sure to fully understand them. Now, you can complete the overdraft application process by filling out the required information accurately. Finally, confirm and activate your overdraft facility. Congratulations! You are now set up to manage your finances better. To manage your overdraft effectively, keep track of your spending and try to pay back overdrafts as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.